We're back here at VCD today. I can't wait to get this done. You read it up in the title. I'm glad you guys clicked on our video. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I've been noticing that on our channel here and on the VCD channel, more than 50% of you guys that are watching are not subscribers. Trust me, you want to stick around for what we got in store for the FL5. You also want to go ahead and go on over to the VCD Racing channel. It's right here somewhere. VCD Racing channel here on YouTube. Make sure you go ahead and also subscribe to them. Hit the bell buttons so that way when we upload content, you guys don't miss any of it. Now, like I said in the title, we're putting on the Progressive Spoon Sport Springs. Say that 3 times. Today, we're going to slap these on the car. I've been wanting to get it done for a minute. Shout out to USA_028 for the information that he's been giving me these last couple days. That's what's pushed us to get these springs put onto the car. He's that guy that's got that sick-ass, Mugened out, limited edition FK8. He just got an FL5 and he's beginning to Mugenize that sucker. What was holding me back was I wasn't sure about the spring rates. I've been hearing that since the FK8 is a lot lighter than the FL5, that the spring rate is a little bit different. It might be a little bit too soft for this car, but we're gonna go ahead and do it. I need some more low. You know, your boy needs some low in this car. I need to get some. And why not with the Spoon Sport Springs that we got left over from the FK8 build? From what I just heard, as a matter of fact, as of December 31st, there was a press release that has come out that Spoon is going to release the Progressive Springs for the FL5 sometime in February. Now, does it mean we're going to get them here stateside in February? It just means they're releasing them. We'll probably get them March, April, somewhere in there. I've already gone ahead and put my name on in the bucket. I want those. The exhaust as well is going to come out. You know we're going to get that. I miss my exhaust so bad from the FK8. Now, the boys over here at VCD are going to plug us up. They're going to get us going. Stick around and watch what we got going on today. Now, what I do want to say is tune on over to the VCD Racing channel. But that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and record that on that channel. This is going to be a little bit of a vlog video. I'm just going to be bugging the guys, just seeing what's up. But anyways, the guys just got here. We're ready to go. I'll see you in a minute. Again, back to the regular routine where this guy doesn't wait for us to start. He just gets going. Anyway.
You know what? You're right. Actually, I didn't even have a slice of pizza. You guys do your thing. Do your thing. I don't even think about that. The people put out people
What did you want to do?
Okay, here's my thinking, right? The car weighs a little bit more, right? Can we maybe add like either some foam or like some zip ties to like the top of it so it doesn't compress?
How about both?
You know, I like where you're going with this, bro.
How are you adding zip ties to
Look at this guy. Look, that's the face of disappointment. Wow. Okay, Morris. Got the wheel off. Ooh, what are those? These are nice. Little Paragon action. Yeah, look at that. Little Paragon deal.
things that you pop in the bucket.
Hey, knock it off with the
Oh my god.
Okay?
I don't do anything.
Knock it off with the
I don't do any of this.
Hey, mijo, no te enojes. It's okay, papa. Anyway, we got Morris back here taking off the rear suspension, which is probably what, the easiest part of this whole install?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be pretty much the easiest part. It's exactly like the FK8. Those of you that have done it, those of you that never have done it, it's pretty much easy. It's like any other
It's like an SI.
Civic SI. I was about to say that suspension rear. It's the front that gets a little different. Morris says he has a different way of doing it. Hopefully we get to see that in action. Lewis, although, is already up here in the front, diligently working.
No samesies. You get that reference? You get it, reference. Did I get it? I didn't get it.
I'm gonna have to include a clip of that one.
No samesies.
Starting tomorrow. Pretty much, these guys have already done an FL5. They had to do it a little bit different because it was more like exploratory surgery during that time frame. But now we're sort of doing the same thing, right? I mean, we're pretty much retaining stock struts.
We're still gonna remove the strut. The other car that we did the coilovers, but obviously it's the same thing. And after we get the strut off, the strut's the same as the FK8, so it's not really that much damage.
We're all in the same ballpark at that point, huh? But yeah, I'm hoping that we can get out in time for dinner tonight. Rear sus. Not that big of a difference. Literally. Because I think the stock suspension compared to the spoon suspension is like 0.8 or point something of an inch drop. It's not that big of a difference, but it should be enough at least to satisfy.
I was actually trying to make a lot of noise while you were talking.
Oh, it's okay. We're used to it. We're used to it, huh? Everybody remembers that. Every time we're about to talk, we had to pause for Lewis.
No, for Morris.
So anywho, yeah, we don't really see any real differences, huh? I mean, as far as everything works. No, I'm saying.
Oh, yeah.
Everything pretty much slides in. It's gonna be the
I
same.
think they're gonna do? They're probably gonna add the coils, you know, where they make it shorter. They're gonna add it at different positions.
The way they make it, huh?
The way that they make it, or the way that they wind it, they're probably, instead of being in the middle, it might compress at the top now because of the weight, you know, or it might compress a little bit more lower. That's probably what the difference is gonna be.
Yeah, low key. That's what we're gonna pay. What'd they say it was? Close to $600 for the set. I mean, if honestly, I'll be honest with you guys.
Several bad puns later.
Excuse me, sir. I need you to do exactly what you were just doing right now, but get out of the way because you're in the way of the shot.
Can I just like think about it and I'll do it right there?
All right, don't get snippy now. We don't need none of that. What the hell is that?
Honda paint, bro.
Whoa, hey. Wait, Lewis.
What?
Lewis. All right, next. What are these? 14s? 12s?
Hey man, this ain't an installation video, bro. I don't know what you're trying to do here.
Wow, okay, guys. Like you said, like he just said, guys, this ain't an installation video, so we're not.
This is just like, you better admire and like the fucking video, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, don't forget, like, subscribe. We're cooking here, boys. We're cooking here. We didn't know what we were doing, Morris.
Well, that's why you save yourself here for a reason. You learn things and you don't tell other people. That way, you know, they have to keep you around.
Is that Motec?
Like Morris said, we can't show you everything. We got to keep him around. All right, let's go do a little spot check right here in the back. Where we at, Morris? How's everything looking here in the back? That's it? Jesus. All right. Oh, look at those bad boys back there. Hey, you didn't clean them? What happened?
You paying for the pins, sir?
Yeah. You gotta take them off and clean them up again, bro.
Pockets are a little dry from the cleaning, too.
Whoa, you can't get paid for something you didn't do? Sheesh. Come on, man. Literally, I haven't taken the car out in the rain, not purposely, all right? Let's clarify that. Not purposely, just because the car pretty much sits at home. I drive 11 miles to work. Why the hell do I want to take it to work for? So anyway, it's missed its opportunity to get wet in the rain. And today, out of all days, I take it to work because we're coming here to the shop to do the spoon install. And what happens? She gets wet. Yeah.
I don't know what's happening. You're a changed man. You used to be like, drive your car, you know?
I do.
You just are complaining about it getting wet. It's ceramic for you.
You're right. You know, I hate when the trusty labor assistant makes a point. All right, guys. Spoon rear suspension, check. We got Lewis working out on the front suspension right now. ETA is about another 25 minutes. We'll be in and out of here. What do we got there? Don't expect a what? Yeah.
Watch me coding. He's like, nah, I don't really know.
Let's see what kind of difference we got, Lewis. Okay.
The same?
It's the same shit.
You gonna get instructions for FL5?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Huh?
It says how much to cut.
Fucking the first step right here, bro.
Is that what?
Yes. Albert, is that the fucking first rodeo over here, alright?
Gee, look, it isn't his first rodeo, guys. Look at that. These low-key look like skateboard wheels.
That's what I told her on the first one.
Yeah, they look like skateboard wheels.
Big.
That's what she said.
Damn.
Sorry. Morris, let's get the other side off while we're at it.
Your boy, he learned a faster way.
Here, should I do it?
You want to do it? You want to get trained to?
Not really, but we can try. You want to record this? Just gotta tell me. You gotta point in the right direction.
He's gonna put it
He's not good at.
He's gonna put it in his face the whole time.
You need help here?
Where? Screw it. Are you screwing it right, or you're just turning?
Well, which way am I supposed to
The
go?
other way.
Well, that's what I was doing, fool.
You are not turning.
Oh my God, what am I? Okay, guys, am I not turning?
Is it getting harder?
No.
Is that a serious question, dude? Yes.
I'm not here, like,
Bro, what kind of coaching? Not for sure. We're not getting monetized.
that shit for a minute.
Can you redo that? No. Jesus. Okay.
Oh, shit, my bad.
He's okay. Like in the other clip, he said it's 4 hours worth of work, so he's just making sure it looks like 4 hours worth of work. Even though he finished this in like 35 minutes, it's 4 hours worth of work.
Hey, this is more what he does. I gotta catch him.
Oh, shit. Hey, you're gonna get him upset.
Dude, he does that shit like on purpose. He's all like,
Gonna
he's
get
like,
upset.
oh shit, just pretend you're doing something. He's like,
Just banging on way on stuff.
come on.
What?
He's like, when you're like, oh shit, they're coming, you just pretend to fucking bang something.
That's why I can't have cameras on me.
That's why you can't have camera.
I don't remember what I said, but I said something.
Hey, low key, and I forgot to tell you, Lewis, we should have taken off the little, what do you call that?
Just then.
Oh, shit.
There goes the seat.
Oh, God, I broke the fucking seat now.
Sip. That's not a drink.
Day in the life of VCV, folks. This is
That was
behind the
great.
scenes
That
magic
was-
here.
That was a drink. That was not a sip.
This portion of the video is sponsored by Torco. You again. You. Making your appearance again, huh? Teamwork makes the dream work, boys.
Sorry.
Earn your keep around.
Your country thanks you for your service.
This segment is sponsored by Torco. Time check, 6 o'clock. Start at 4:45. Not bad.